So chicken manure is one of the most powerful compost inputs available, but it is also one of the most misunderstood. So the answer is not simple yes or no. So it really depends on where it comes from and how it is handled inside the composting system. So on a healthy small farm or backyard system, organic chicken manure can be an excellent compost ingredient. It's extremely high in nitrogen, which helps stimulate microbial activity, heat up the compost pile, and speeds up the decomposition. But when used correctly, it becomes one of the strongest green inputs in a compost system. But chicken manure is never used alone. It always needs balance. So in most compost systems, chicken manure is paired with a carbon source to prevent the pile from becoming too hot, too wet, or too concentrated. One of the most effective carbon materials to use with chicken manure is rough-cut sawdust. So sawdust acts as a stabilizing brown material that absorbs excess moisture and adds structure and balances the high nitrogen content of the manure. So when chicken manure and sawdust are combined correctly, they create a strong compost base. The manure feeds the biology, and the sawdust provides the carbon and airflow needed for the system to function properly. Now, without that balance, the pile can become anaerobic. It can become overly wet or produce strong ammonia smells. However, sourcing materials is just as much as a balance. So organic, well-managed chicken manure from birds raised on natural feeds with pasture access can be a reliable compost ingredient in a food growing system. Now in these cases, the manure is simply a concentrated form of biological material returning to the soil cycle. Now commercial chicken manure requires a lot more caution. So in a large-scale poultry system, chickens are often raised on highly controlled feed programs that may include synthetic additives, medications, and antibiotics. And because compost eventually becomes part of the soil that grows food, many gardeners choose to avoid uncertainty in these inputs altogether. A simple guiding principle that I use to help make this decision is, if I would not feel comfortable having it become part of the soil that feeds my family, I do not put it in my compost pile. So when chicken manure is used correctly with proper sourcing and proper carbon balance, it can become one of the fastest ways to build rich, biologically active compost. So the key is not just adding it to the pile, but integrating it into a system where the nitrogen and the carbon are intentionally balanced. So in practice, this means layering chicken manure with materials like sawdust, dry leaves, straw, or shredded cardboard. And this allows the biology to do the work of breaking everything down over time. Now the compost pile should be moist like a wrung-out sponge with enough airflow to stay active. And when managed correctly, this combination creates a powerful composting system that transforms high nitrogen waste into stable organic matter that supports long-term soil health. So chicken manure is not inherently good or bad for compost. It's a powerful input that requires context, balance, and good judgment. Now, if you want to see how compost decisions like this fit into a simple framework for building an easier garden system, I put together a free guide called Grow More Food with Less Work, the 8-Step Abundance Garden System. This is where I walk through the foundation of how we build a productive, low-maintenance garden on the farm. The link is in the description below.